Okay, so we started the averages chapter and we were into this. See, average is sum of the observations by total number of observations. And suppose this is a salary you are getting 10 rupees in the month of Jan, 20 rupees in the month of Feb, 30 rupees in the month of March. In April you got 40 rupees. In May you got 50 rupees. So if you get salaries in this way, my question is, what is the average salary you got in 5 months? So 5 months average salary would be sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. So 50 rupees on an average you have earned, correct? Now, point number 2, please focus on the formulas which I have given to you. See, if average is equal to sum divided by number of observations, then sum is equal to average into number of observations. Okay. So if at all the average what you got was 50 in the previous case, and that is sum of the observations by number of observations. This implies if I want to find out the sum, average into number. Actually, it is 30, na? Why don't you correct me? So average was average is 30. No one corrected me. What is that? 30 rupees is your average salary. So now I was saying sum is average is equal to sum by number of observations. So sum is equal to average into number of observations. So if I take 30 rupees is equal to 150 by 5. This is average sum by number. So if I want sum, if I cross multiply n there, 30 into 5 is equal to 150. Okay, that point is proved. Now, next formula. See, now I am giving you a question. See, all of you, please try to solve this question. I am giving a question. Every one of you should solve. Yes, and Dhanush, you should solve and give it to me.
Okay, sir.
Huh.
Okay, sir.
Tell me what's the answer.
Average weight of the class.
Average rate of the class of fruits. Okay, of the fruits.
$21, sir.
Huh?
21.
21. 21 is not a correct time, but okay, fine. What did you do?
Just sir, average were already taken, so I added up the weight and divided it by 2. Just 1 minute, sir. I'll redo. I'll redo,
No,
sir.
no. Listen. So you have two different things here. Average weight of 17 watermelons is 20. Average weight of 17 watermelons is 20, and average weight of 23 mangoes is 22. And I am telling you, both of you, Dhanush and Yash, you did not follow the formulas which I have given in the previous past. That is what is the reason today I need to get do a revision thing for you people. Direct formula is there for this. I already gave you. What's the formula? Just take the formula. Average of m items in one group is A. Average of m items in one group is A, and average of n items in another group is B. Okay. Then average of combined group is equal to MA plus NB by M plus N. So what we'll do here? What is your M? 17 into average is 20 plus 23 into 22 divided by 17 plus 23. This is MN. A Yes, what's the answer fast? See, 17 twos are 34, 340 plus 23, 22, one step you can do calculation. 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. And this is 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1, 40. So what is the answer you can get here? So 6, 4, 7, correct?
846, sir. Forty.
846 by 40. So 40 twos are 80. 40 20s are 800, correct? So I will just write like this. See how you can divide this. How you can divide this easily. So we will write in this way. 840 plus 6 by 40. I can again do this 800 plus 40 plus 6 whole divided by 40. Correct?
Yes.
So I'm just making this easier to you. 800 by 40 plus 40 by 40 plus 6 by 40. So this would give you 20. This would give you 1. 20 plus 1 plus 6 by 40. So 6 by 40, what you can do? 1 and this 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42. So this is like 1 by 6.8 something you'll get, correct? Or else if you want 6 by 40, you can do something. 2 into 3 by 10 into 2. Into 2. This will be cancelled. For this, if you want to get a easy mean, you can do one thing for this. 40. Three by 20. So I will do one thing. This is like, okay, just see what I'm doing. So I just wrote 2 into 3 by 10 into 2 into 2, correct? This is gone. 3 by 10 is 0.3, correct? All of you, please tell me 3 by 10 is what? 0.3 or not? See how I'm trying to convert thing very easily. All of you pay your attention. 3 by 10 is 0.3 and 1 by 2 is 0.5, correct? 0.3 into 0.5 is 0.15, correct? So I'm writing 0.15. So can I say 21.15? Yes, this is the answer. All of you make a note of this.
सर मेरे को भी 21 ही आया ना सर,
ऐसा
मतलब
नहीं है
राउंड
ना
ऑफ करे
यस, 21 पॉइंट अगर दिया तो रॉन्ग होता ना, अगर पॉइंट्स में आंसर दे दिया तो रॉन्ग चले जाता. 21.15 दे दिया, 21.19 दे दिया, वैसे ऑल आर 21 ओनली, बट इफ दे गिव मोर प्रिसाइज आंसर देन व्हाट?
हाँ करेक्ट सर.
कभी कभी हो जाता ना, यस बोल नहीं सकते ना. एंड सी लेट मी
हाँ
बी वेरी
ट्रू
फ्रैंक,
सर.
आपके आपके आईआईएम इंदौर के लिए तो दे दे आर सम क्वेश्चंस दे वोंट गिव यू ऑप्शंस, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द एग्जैक्ट आंसर्स.
यस सर.
Okay, so we'll go for the next question. Come on. Okay, try this question, all of you. Do this. I'm waiting.
Sir, 80 is the answer.
Yeah, what is your answer?
80, sir.
80, 80. Okay. So see, it is very simple, na? 4 girls and 3 boys spend rupees 120 on an average. So what is the total expenditure? There are 7 people. 120 per head they are spending, correct? See, on an average, na, some average is equal to sum by number of terms. So like number of terms is 7. Sum we don't know. Average they have already given to us 120. If we take a cross multiplication, we get the amount sum. So sum is equal to 840. 12 sevens are 84, 840 rupees. Correct? Now, of which boys spend 150 on average. So there are how many boys? 3. So 3 into 150 is 450. Correct?
4
How
boys,
many?
sir.
Oh, just a second. What? Sorry. There are how many boys? Okay, okay. Yeah, so like how many boys are there? 150, 3 boys are there, correct? So boys are spending how much? 450, correct or wrong? All of you tell me. Hello? Hello? Yes, Jeevana, are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but like how many, the boys are how many in this example? There are 3
3
boys.
boys.
So 450. So how many, how much is left over for the girls? 840 minus 450 is how much?
390.
Yes, 390. So 390 is left over for girls. How many girls are there? 4. So now this, the leftover will be spent by girls. So 390 by 4 is how much? 97.5 rupees will be spent by each girl. Okay. So please check your answer. 80 is a wrong answer. Yeah, if it would have been 3 girls and 4 boys, then your answer would have been correct. How? See, total is 840. Boys will spend how much? 600. Okay. So 840 minus 600 is how much? 240. This is the total expense. Boy spend is 600. Leftover is 240. Now this 240 will be spent by whom? Girls. How many girls are there? If I change the example. So 80 per girl. So you have done a wrong answer. You have got a wrong answer. Please correct it. And if this is the example in this way, this is the right answer. Okay, all of you make a note of it. I'm giving the next question to you. यश क्या हुआ? मेरे को आंसर नहीं मिल रहा. हेलो.
हाँ
Yes,
सर
यश.
मेरे को आंसर आया था
नहीं बोल रहे क्या?
सर आया, पर मैं मतलब इसका वापस एवरेज
बोले
निकाला
क्यों
तो
नहीं?
वापस सही नहीं आया. तो सर मतलब मैं रीचेक किया था तब मेरे को लगा
अच्छा.
गलत है इसलिए नहीं बोला.
ओके, ठीक है, चलो अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करो सब लोग. ऑल ऑफ यू टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, do this.
Sir,
Yes.
is it 128?
What?
128.
सर एक
One-
मिनट.
120 is wrong.
सर 128. 128.
Yeah, 128 is correct. Yeah, it's a simple question.
sir.
Average of 30 numbers is 15. So A is equal to 30. So average is equal to sum by number of terms. Okay. So 30, no, sorry, excuse me. Average of 30 numbers is, so average is 15 actually. N is equal to 30. Okay. So average 15 is equal to sum by numbers. Okay, this is what. So average of 30 numbers is 15. So sum will be 450. Okay, because if we cross multiply here, the total would be 450. Average of first 16 numbers is 12. Just a second, please. Yeah. So now average of first 16 numbers is 12. So out of 30, first 16 numbers. So average 12 and some we don't know, and numbers are 16. So 16 12s are how much? 192. So sum is 192. Now, and that of the 13 numbers is, next 30 numbers is 10. So there are 30 numbers. 30 numbers, out of that 16 numbers we have taken. So leftover is how much? 14 numbers. And next 13 numbers average is 10, they are saying. So we have to see the last number, correct? So last number we can easily get. So the like 13 numbers average is how much? 10. So sum by, sorry, 10, like 13, 130. So I got the sum of 30 numbers as 30. I got the sum of first 16 numbers as 16. I got the sum of next 13 numbers as 13. Now from 13, if I remove the sum of 29 numbers from S30, if I remove S16 and S13, I'll get the leftover number, correct? So that is 128. All of you do this. Now next one. All of you try this. Okay, do this. Yeah, can I just expect an answer? See, the average salary of all workers in the factory is 80,000, 8,000. Average salary of 7 engineers is 12,000 and rest is 6,000. So the biggest problem what you are facing here, if I am not wrong, is you don't know how many workers are there. So we'll take that as X, correct? So I'll take total workers is equal to X. Total salary what these workers are getting is 8,000 X, correct? So suppose there are 10 workers and each one is getting 8,000. So total salary is 10 into 8,000, 80,000. Like that I need to multiply with X, number of workers. Because sum is equal to average into number. Total salary. Salary of 7 engineers is how much? 12,000, correct? So now what we can do is we need to find out the total number of workers, correct? So that we can do very easily. 7 engineers are getting 12,000 each plus the total number of workers is X. So if 7 workers I remove, I get the leftover workers, correct? Yes, please tell me. So X minus 7 is leftover workers, correct? So rest of the workers are getting how much? 6,000 per head into 6,000 is equal to the total salary 8,000 X. Now please solve and tell me the X value. Come on, do this. 7 workers, X minus 7 is rest of the workers getting average salary of 6,000 total salary. Tell me X value fast. We'll go for next question. Yes. Come on, what is the
Sir,
problem? Why are
14,
you not giving me answers? Yeah, yes, yes.
14 is the answer. I mean X value.
X is how much?
14.
No, 14 is wrong. See, 84,000 plus 6000x minus 42,000 is equal to 8000x. So 84 minus 42 is 42. So 6000 I'll take there. 42,000 is equal to 2000x. X is equal to 42,000 divided by 2000. 21. Finished. All of you make a note of this fast. And try the next two questions which I give you. This is homework sum, okay? This is homework question. Now all of you do these two questions which I am giving right now fast. Do this question. Yes, do these questions fast. Try. I will explain.
Sir, 6.8 for the first one.
$6.8.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
next one.
Doing, sir. Sir, is 40 the answer for second one?
40. No. Almost. Okay. So let's do this. Almost 40. Yeah. See the average.
39.5, sir.
Yeah, 39.7 something you'll get. We'll do it. No problem. The average of first three numbers is double of fourth number. So you know first three numbers we can take A, B, C or X, Y, Z, anything you can take. Average is A plus B plus C by 3. That is what, suppose the fourth number is D. Average is equivalent to double the fourth number, correct? Average is equivalent to double the fourth number. And average of all four numbers, what did they give? 12. So sum would be, so what are they asking? Fourth number. So what we can do for that fourth number? We know A plus B plus C is 6D. So I will write 6D here. 7D is equal to 48. D is equal to 48 by 7, 6.8. All of you make a note of this. We'll go for the next question. Now, average mark of 100 students is found to be 40. So what is the total? This is average marks. So total marks of 40 students is 40 into 100, correct? So average marks is this. Later it was found that a mark of 53 was misread as 83. So from total, what you will do? What is the misread thing? 83. You will remove this misread thing and add the correct thing, correct? See, because of this misreading, 30 extra you added, correct? Actually, it would have been 53. So you remove that. So minus 83 plus 53 is nothing but minus 30. You are removing this, correct? This will be ultimately removed. So the correct number you will get is 3970. How many students are there? 100. So 39.7 is the correct average. All of you do this. Now, please try this question. Do this.
Sir, 1.15 kgs.
Yeah.
The weight of the new packet is 1.15 kgs.
Yeah, see, average weight of 12 packets is 1.8. Addition of one new packet reduces the average weight. Of course, if you increase the number of packets, the average would definitely decrease, correct? So, because you are dividing by the number of terms also. So, you can use this formula, weight of new item is equal to A plus N, sorry, because addition A minus N plus 1 into X. I'll write the formula. All of you please follow. See, first I'll give the formulas. When N number of new items are added, then average of N new items is equal to A plus into X. If you add N number of items, correct? So this average of N new items would be after, see, there are 100 items already available. You added more 20 items to this. So after adding the more 20 items, the new average would be this. Okay, the formula which I've given. Here put minus if average drops. Okay. And in our case also we have put minus because the average is reducing. Okay. I'll come back to our formula also, what we are using. This is formula number 1. Formula number 2. And here what the things are, n is equal to number of Kaplan items before adding x change in average a average of n items. Okay, so this you need to remember. Now formula number 2, when n number of items are removed then average of n items is equal to a plus 1 plus n by n, sorry, into x. Put minus, if you remove then minus here, minus if you add plus here. Put minus if average drops. All of you please make a note of these 2 points. Yes, let's move forward. See, what I am using the formula in this is, see there is a note here, put n is equal to 1, this n is equal to 1, this and this here, because you can see the formula which I am using for the above question is okay. Here only one item, see, you can see here. Addition of another new packet. One packet only you are adding, okay? So we are putting 1. That is 1 by 1, okay? 1. Put n is equal to 1. The number of items added or removed is equal to 1, okay? So in our example also, we have taken 1 for this entire thing. Why? Because it is only one item which we are adding and removing, okay? So 1 would come in this particular thing. So here you can see, in the sense See, 1 plus n by n here we have taken, na? And in our question we have taken what? A minus n plus 1. So either 1 plus n by n. So 1 plus, your n would have been 12. As per the question, it is 12 only in our that thing. Okay. So I will use the formula. Just a second. Let me also explain you this question with the help of this formula. Just 2 minutes. So now we will find out the answer for that. Weight of new item is equal to A minus n plus 1 into x. So A is the average already given. Our average is dropping, that's why we are putting minus. N is nothing but already you have 12 parcels plus 1, because one item is what we are adding. That's it. Okay. One new packet into 0.50. So your answer would be 1.15 kg if you solve. Okay. So all of you today, like I am stopping till here. I have one more class. I will take one more session in the afternoon for half an hour. In that I'll be explaining you more 4 to 5 questions that will end our averages chapter. Evening we will do permutation, combinations and probability. Okay. These 2 chapters. Be ready. 7:30 to 10:30 is the class. Tomorrow morning I'll explain you puzzle test. Okay. Sure.